In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add approved status to tasks in ClickUp. ClickUp is an incredibly powerful project management tool that helps teams stay organized, track progress, and customize workflows to match their unique needs. Today, we're going to walk through the process of adding an approved status to your tasks so you can better align your workflow with your team's processes, whether you're new to ClickUp or just looking to fine-tune your setup. This tutorial will guide you step by step. Let's get started. First, open your ClickUp workspace and navigate to the list view where your tasks are displayed. Once you're there, locate the status column. This is where the current status of each task is shown, like to do, in progress, or complete. Next, click on any cell within the status column. A small menu will appear containing 3 dots. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots to open the status menu. From the menu that pops up, select Edit Statuses. This option allows you to make changes to the available statuses for your tasks. Once you've selected it, you'll be taken to a customization screen. Now, you'll want to enable custom statuses to do this. Choose the option labeled Use Custom Statuses. This will give you the flexibility to add new statuses or adjust the existing ones to suit your needs. At this point, you have a decision to make. Do you want to add a brand new status or simply rename an existing one? Here's how to do both. To add a new status, click on the Add New Status button. A text box will appear where you can type the name of your new status. Type Approved into the box. After that, you'll get to choose a color for your new status. Pick one that stands out and feels intuitive for your workflow. If you'd prefer to rename an existing status instead, look for the one you want to change, like Complete. Click directly on the name of the status, and it will become editable. Change the text to Approved, and your new status name will be saved. Once you've finished either adding or renaming the status, it's time to save your changes. Simply click Apply Changes. This will confirm your updates and apply the new status setup to your workspace. Finally, give ClickUp a moment to refresh. Once it's done, check your status column to confirm that the approved status has been successfully added and is ready for use in your tasks. If you're new to ClickUp, you'll find a link in the description below to sign up and get started. And that's it. You've successfully added an approved status to your tasks in ClickUp. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.